Here's a popular body style, a unique especially in classics. Just in 1987, Chevrolet Custom Deluxe K10. Technically, this is actually a V10. We're not going to go with that. Somebody's going to think that there's a Dodge Viper engine underneath the hood of this one. But in 1987, remember Chevrolet changed their CK series to R and V. So the V took over for the K and stood for the 4x4 version. So we're gonna stick with K10 Custom Deluxe on this one. Original numbers matching, 5-liter V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with a 700R4 automatic with overdrive transmission, nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes. Take a look at the front grille, chrome in the bumper, headlight surrounds. Original Indiana truck, 2-owner vehicle, clean Carfax, showing actual miles at 70,535. Check out the still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, the interior, the engine bay, the bed. All those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on a little newer style wheel. BF Goodrich all-terrain radials. Those are 2023 date codes, so not very old in the tires. Battery was put in at the same time, spring of 23. And I'll get into some of the other newer components on this truck also. I do want to point out one thing as far as the paint. We do have some kind of fading. Almost looks like something ran down the side of this front fender, and it does show up some in that paint. Don't get me wrong, this truck still has a nice shine to it. Paint looks good on it. I just wanted to point out kind of that front fender. And as you can see, these panels are straight. They're not full of nicks, dings, scratches, gouges, anything like that. This truck looks like it was somebody's pride and joy, more so than it was working on the farm. Let's put it that way. Appears that it still has a protective coating in front of that rear wheel well. It was supposed to keep rock chips down. Look around those wheel wells. Speaking of which, how many times do you see those rusted out, flapping in the wind? Looks solid on this one. Bed liner looks good. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, take a little closer look at the interior. Interior is extremely nice on this truck. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. It does have a new rear bumper as well as bumper brackets. You can see that. If you look down below there too, you're going to notice newer exhaust. And that is a true dual exhaust. Newer suspension components, you're going to see those shocks. Take a look at the underside pics, and once again, uniqueclassiccars.com is where they can all be seen at. In with the still pics, you're also going to see the original owner's manual with this, and also the RPO code stickers, so you'll be able to see exactly how this truck was equipped from Chevrolet back in 1987. Let's take a look down this driver's side, and again, you can see panels nice and straight, not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Like I said earlier, these trucks have become more and more popular. They're getting tougher and tougher to find. If you like these trucks, like to check them out, look at them, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We do get them in from time to time. Videos are uploaded daily on our YouTube channel, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in the video are available to purchase, and you can do that online or right off our showroom floor if you may see us in person. And again, you can see solid up and down this driver's side. That protective film still intact. Now, again, there may be a little nick or a small chip here or there, but once again, overall paint shows well on this one. Be a fun truck, no doubt about that. All right, check out this interior. So door panels, great shape, painted to match inside as far as the red, and then of course a little deeper, kind of a Merlot or burgundy and red interior. See cruise control. Top of the dash looking good. Check out the carpeting and the still pics. Carpeting looks like new, as well as the seat covers, seat belts intact. Visors. Looking pretty stock in the interior of this. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Of course, this would be a throttle body. Let's go ahead and turn the key. Was a cold start. You can see that, so I wouldn't expect the temp gauge to have moved. Oil pressure. See that on our right. Battery. Of course, fuel gauge. There's exact miles, 70,535. AM, FM stereo. I've not had sound come out of that, but I see it is powered up with a stereo light on. And no rips, tears, holes in the seat. Door closes nicely. Let's listen. Sounds good. Sounds like a stock 87. And remember, numbers matching. 5-liter V8 underneath the hood. Speaking of which, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's get this hood popped. Check out the engine bay. Stick around to the very end of the video. Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. There you get a peek at the underside of the hood. And engine bay. Look at how clean this is. Still the stickers, inner fenders, the jack, and just lack of corrosion, grease, grime, really much wear. Mentioned battery earlier, installed spring 2023. 2023 date codes in the tires. Runs smooth, good looking engine bay. 1987 Chevrolet V10, or we'll go with K10, Custom Deluxe. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a very nice 1987 Chevrolet K1500 pickup truck. That means it's four-wheel drive. We do have a four-wheel shifter down on the floor. This is an automatic on the column, so it's easy for anybody to drive. As you can see, the winter is kind of hitting Minnesota, and that's okay because we do wash our vehicles very well, so we can do these driving videos for you. Our turn signal indicator works as it should. Fuel gauge showing almost a full tank. Speedometer working. Oil pressure showing over 50 psi, and the temperature coming up on about 150, still warming up. Our battery gauge is showing over 14 volts as it should. The blower motor works, and the wipers also work on this truck. Very good looking truck. Smooth, shiny paint. Interior, I mean, I'd swear the carpet was new. Dash looking good. Seat, cloth and vinyl combo. Bench seat looking great. The steering wheel is canted a little bit to the left, but that doesn't affect performance at all. Power brakes working very well. Nice quiet ride from this truck. Sounding somewhat like it may have when it was new. If you're looking to feel like you bought one of these off the lot in 1987, this is darn close to it. Corners nicely, doesn't lean very much. shifts nice and firm. Great condition truck. Take a look at all the pictures of this at 87 Chevy at uniqueclassiccars.com.